Hi, I'm Andrew King from Etac. I'm the UK sales manager, and today we're going to have a look at the Etac Turner Pro and meet Kate Davies. So Kate, can you just tell us a little bit about yourself?
Yeah. I'm Kate, and I'm a writer and a designer, and I'm also a former stroke patient, and I had a great experience using the Turner when I was recovering in hospital 8 years ago.
Okay, so this is the Turner. We introduce it to the person who's going to use it by sliding it in, and they place their feet, if they've got the ability, on each of the marked out areas on the base. Now this is about the right height for Kate. We'll just bring it up slightly so it's just below the knee. Tighten it there. I'm going to counterbalance it by putting my foot on this side, and Kate, I'd like you to put both your hands at a position where you feel comfortable, and when you're ready, if you pull yourself up, I can then turn you around and transfer you onto the next piece of equipment that's required. So it's very, very simple. We can then, if you need any assistance bringing your feet off, I could help you there, or you can do it yourself. I can pull that away and then move that out of the way. Here we've got two chairs. It could quite easily be two other pieces of equipment, but that just shows how simple and effective the Etac Turner can be.